Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session after the Dashara vacation. Today, we have one of the most important announcement of syllabus for the academic year 2020-21. So, this syllabus has been declared after deducting nearly 26% of 6th class syllabus. Okay, I'll tell you what lessons have been deleted. Even though they are deleted, we have some of them we have finished, but you must have an idea. So I will tell you what are the lessons which have been taken out and from which the questions will not be asked in the annual examination. That means the district common board examination will not give any kind of questions from these lessons. So let me tell you what are those lessons first. So total how many lessons do we have in the textbook? Total lessons we have are 21 lessons we have. Okay, out of these 21 children, the third unit called as landforms. So these landforms has two things. One is landform part A and part B. So under this landforms, only part B is deleted. That is nothing but Penamakuru is deleted from this. Penamakuru, the Bandar Canal, Penamakuru is deleted from this. That is Penamakuru. Okay, is not there. And next is seventh unit called as agriculture in our times. Agriculture in our times. This is also not there, where we discussed about Venkatapuram, the small Ravi and the agricultural laborers working in the paddy field, in the groundnut field. And then 8th part A and part B is also not there. 8th part A and part B. 8th lesson is relating to the trade in agricultural produce. It's nothing but regarding the Raitu Bazaar, regarding the agricultural market yard we have discussed. So those two are also not there. And 10th unit is also not there. That is the emergence of kingdoms, which we have already finished. Okay, is not there. And 11th unit, first empires is also not there. And 12th unit, democratic governments. Democratic governments. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 units which have been taken away. Okay, and we are going to have a project work on this. So government is going to give the questions in the examination only from the remaining part of the lessons. That means these lessons are not covered, but the remaining lessons are covered. So remaining part will be in the examination, and this part will be in the project work only. Project work will be given from these lessons only. So project work will be relating to the, for example, if it is relating to the emergence of the first empire, that is the first empires, I may ask you about the map showing the important Mauryan empire, that is Ashoka, or the replica of Ashoka at Kanganhalli and in Karnataka, or even about the Kotilingala coins. So about different kinds of things I may ask regarding to the first empires as a project work. So this kind of topic which is recommended for the project activity is given in the proceedings given by the school directorate. So these are the lessons which are not asked in the examination. Asked in the examination in the sense the question and answers will not be asked, but the project work has to be prepared from these. So hereafter, whenever I give you the project work will be from these lessons, and whereas the question and answers will be from the remaining part. So out of these we have finished almost all these lessons. Penamakuru we have finished. Agriculture in our times, that is about the agricultural market yard we have seen. So under the agricultural market yard, okay, agriculture in our times we have seen about the Venkatapuram small farmers, conversation with big farmer and a small farmer we have seen, and trade in agricultural produce part A and part B we have seen, that is a local producer as well as a big producer who sells it in the market yard we have seen. Emergence of the kingdoms, under the emergence of the kingdoms we have seen the Ganga valleys, Janapadas and Mahajanapadas we have seen, and we also have seen the Magadha Empire, a powerful kingdom. Later we have discussed about the first empire, and under the democratic government also we have seen the type of government, what is a democracy, and how to check the elected representatives also we try to understand. So this is how out of the 21 lessons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lessons are taken out, which constitute for 26%. So almost 30% of the syllabus is deleted. So remaining part of the syllabus will be as usual, children. So be prepared for the examination whenever it is conducted for the remaining part of the syllabus. Thank you, children.